everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining Yoga with Prachi. I'm Prachi and today we will be focusing on the posture improving exercises and some stress relief poses which will calm your body and relieve your body tension. Thank you so much for taking time for yourself. Thank yourselves too before we start the class. Like, do not force yourself to the any pose. Breath and the practice will lead you a complete body relaxation. So get some comfy clothes and let's meet on the mat. Are you guys excited? Let's go! Hello everyone, I'm Prachi. Welcome to this gentle slow flow yoga practice created to help you release tension, improve posture and reconnect with your breath. Let's begin in a wide-legged child's pose. Allow your knees to open wide and gently melt your chest towards the mat. Take a deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. Let the body soften here. Stay here for a few breaths. Allow your body to soften into the stretch. Take a deep inhale through the nose and slowly exhale, releasing any tension. With every breath, feel a little more space in the body. As you exhale, gently lift yourself slowly. Come forward into tabletop position. Make sure your alignment is nice. Wrist under your shoulder and knees under your hip. Make a little adjustment for yourself and take a deep breath in and gently lift your chest, looking slightly upward. And now breathe out and round your back, bringing the chin toward the chest. Again, breathe in and open the chest and breathe out, round the spine. Move slowly with your breath. This sounds much easier while speaking, but do it with your own pace. Do not force yourself. Listen to your body. Stay here for a few breaths and make a little adjustment for our next pose, which is a downward dog. From here, gently tuck the toes under the feet and lift the hip into downward facing dog. Lengthen through the spine and gently pedal up the feet one at a time if that feels good. Keep the shoulder relaxed and continue breathing deeply. Lengthen through the spine and press the heels gently towards the mat. And take a deep breath in here. Now slowly step your left foot forward between your hands and come into a low lunge. Allow the back knee to gently rest on the mat. Sink the hips slightly forward and lengthen through the spine. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Feel the stretch through the front of the right hip and thigh. Stay here for a few breaths and from your low lunge, gently bend the back knee and slowly reach one hand back and hold the back foot or ankle. Take your time here and move only within your comfort. Lift through the chest and keep the shoulder relaxed. Feel the stretch along the front of the thigh and hip. Slowly release the back foot with control. Bring both hands down to the mat and slide your front leg across the mat, bringing the knee towards the wrist and extend the back leg straight. Before folding forward, gently lift the chest and lengthen through the spine. Take a soft inhale here. As you exhale, slowly begin to fold forward over the front leg. Rest your hands or forearms down in front of you. Allow the hips to soften towards the mat. And slowly take a deep breath in and while exhaling, lift yourself up from the stretch. Take a deep breath in and slowly, gently bring your back leg forward and gently twist towards the side, opening through the chest and shoulders. Stay here for a slow breath. With every inhale, sit a little taller. With every exhale, gently deepen the twist. Relax the shoulders and keep the jaw soft. And after that, bring back the back leg to the original position and let's come to our tabletop position. From tabletop, slowly walk your hands forward. Keep your hips stacked over your knees. Gently begin to melt your chest down towards the mat. You may bring your chin to the mat or rest your forehead down. Whatever feels more comfortable for you today. Allow the shoulders and upper back to soften. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Stay here for a slow breath. Slowly begin to lift yourself with control and gently slide forward onto your belly. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale, releasing any tightness in the upper back. From here, slowly lower yourself all the way down onto the mat. Let the body relax for a moment. Place your palms beside your chest. Keep the elbows close to the body. Take a deep breath in. As you inhale, gently press through the palms and slowly lift your chest into the cobra pose. Inhale, lift through the heart. With every exhale, release any tension in the shoulder. Come into a tabletop position. Take a deep breath in and as you exhale, gently tuck your toes under and lift your hips. Lengthen through the spine and press the heels gently towards the mat. Now slowly step your left foot forward between your hands. Come into a low lunge. Allow the back knee to rest on the mat. Lift through the chest and slowly sink the hips forward. Stay here in your low lunge for a breath. Lift through the chest and gently sink the hips forward. Now slowly bend your back knee, reach one hand back and hold the back foot or ankle. Take your time and move only within your comfort. Feel the stretch along the front of the thigh and hip. Slowly release the back foot and bring both hands down to the mat. Gently slide your front knee towards the wrist and extend the back leg straight. Lift through the chest for a moment and as you exhale, slowly fold forward into a pigeon pose. Stay here for a few breaths, allowing the hips to soften with every exhale. Lift yourself gently and bring your back leg forward and cross one leg over the another and gently twist towards the side, opening through the chest and shoulders. Stay here for a few slow breaths. With every inhale, sit a little taller and with every exhale, gently deepen the twist. Now gently release the pose and come back to center. Stay in your comfortable seated position. Now gently lift one arm overhead and begin to reach towards the opposite side for a soft side stretch. Lengthen the side body and slowly take it to the other side. Hold this. Feel the stretch through the side waist and continue breathing deeply. Slowly come back to center and bring both hands down softly. Rest your hands softly on your knees or at your heart center. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you. Take a deep breath in through the nose and slowly breathe out. Stay here for a quiet moments. With every inhale, invite calmness and every exhale, release any stress or tension. Allow yourself to simply Be present in this moment and set the intention for today. The affirmation, remind yourself this affirmation which goes like, I accept where I am today. Repeat yourself quietly or say it aloud. I accept where I am today. Gently bring both hands to your heart center. Sit tall through the spine and softly relax the shoulders. Take one deep breath in through the nose and slowly breathe out. Again, take a deep breath in and gently exhale, releasing any remaining tension. Slowly bow your head in a gratitude for this practice and for yourself. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a peaceful and beautiful day ahead.